Among the keyboard community, people often purchase sound dampening material or use the foam that comes with the case. They cut and trim it to fit the case, and it often looks a bit unsightly even though it's going to be covered. I looked for a more elegant solution, something more bespoke, and after some research, it turns out silicone is good for sound dampening. So let's experiment. This is the silicone mold kit to fill the case with, but first, I'm going to use some masking tape to seal any holes where it could seep through. The case is slightly angled, so I leveled the bottom with something to make sure that the silicone sets flat. With the silicone kit, we're going to mix the two bottles in a 1-to-1 ratio. Make sure to mix well for several minutes. Pour gently, and make sure not to bypass the screw standoffs. I got this idea when I was looking for a better dampening solution, and I found out that RamaWorks uses silicone for their sound dampener. If it's good enough for RamaWorks, then it's definitely good enough for my project. After an hour, it's all set. I made a tab with the tape so I could use it to lift the silicone out easily. Just make sure that you take your time and pull gently. Because it's translucent, I think this solution is great for people with acrylic cases. That way, you could dampen the case and still show off those bright RGB LEDs. And look how nice and clean it came out. We've got one more thing to do. We just need to make a way to get this USB-C port through the hole that's in the case. I'll be using an X-Acto blade to make a nice clean cut. And there you have it. Now, we just need to put it back in the way it came out. When I slide the PCB in, it presses slightly on the silicone, which is how I want it because I know that way it'll absorb any vibrations from typing. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Bye!